What's up guys, I am back with a very highly requested video. Now today I'm going to be going over my top 6 meme coin picks for this bull cycle. As you guys know, 2024 is a meme coin super cycle. The meme coin sector is massively outperforming various other crypto narratives that we have seen in the past, and I don't think this is going to stop. Now it's October, historically the most bullish month in crypto. Lots of tier 1 meme coins are starting to creep up again, and I'm here to give away this information for free on the top 6 meme coins that I think are going to outperform. But of course, before we get started, this video is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I am just someone that has been in crypto for a very long time and I've done very well for myself. So without further ado, number 6, we have COBY. COBY is a meme coin that I shared to my private community, Profit Pirates, at around 5 to 7 million market cap. That was when people were buying. It's now trading a little bit higher. One thing I will say, COBY is a lot riskier than all of the other tokens that are in this video, purely because it's much lower in market cap. COBY is very speculative. Of course, it's still sitting around 10 million market cap, around this range. So it is what we consider in crypto a micro cap. So if you are looking to trade this token in the future, just be careful. So for targets, I put down a $50 million market cap for COBY as my first target. If it smashes through this and it's actually able to hold, there is a chance it can go higher, but it's hard to really put a ceiling on something that is only just started to take off and is very low in market cap. It all depends on how the community manages to hold once it breaks through these ranges, which we think it will do. So the positives I have for COBY is a cult-like community. In crypto, cult communities always tend to do very well, as they are still a community when the prices are going down. Even as a buyer, it's something we like to look for. It's backed by huge KOLs such as Ansem. I've had the pleasure of meeting Ansem a few times. He's a great guy. I was able to connect with the team personally at Token 2049, and I know they have some funding. And the risk reward is great. It's a very small market cap, is what we call a micro cap. The risk reward is great. It's something that could go to the billions if it catches on. Hence the risk reward is a lot greater than a lot of the other things you may be seeing. Some negatives, of course, it's a low market cap, so it's very volatile. On days where Bitcoin may be dumping a few percent, things like COBY could be having 30–40% corrections, so of course be careful with that. And with it being a micro cap on Solana, there are new launches on Solana every day, and a lot of liquidity tends to get sucked, so there will be a lot more rotation with it being on Solana. With number 5, we have Mew. This is a project I love a lot. Here's a t-shirt they gave me at Token 2049, which is beautiful. A cat in a dog's world. So a cat in a dog's world currently trades at around 500 to 600 million market cap. I've wrote down a target of 7 to 10 billion, which I think is fair for Mew. Some positives, they have huge funding. They actually have an anime series coming soon. They have collectible figures. They have a lot of merchandise. They were handing it out for free to everyone that came to Token 2049, which I really enjoyed. They're listed on numerous tier 1 exchanges, including Revolut, which is basically the biggest crypto exchange in Europe. It's an IP play, so they're looking to build heavily on the IP, which is a narrative that I really like to bid. And it's lower risk, as it's something that's been around for a long time. It's listed on tier 1 exchanges, and it's a high market cap. So the negatives I have written down for Mew, it's a large cap, so it needs high liquidity to move, and it isn't really funny. A lot of the other memes that we're talking about on this video, you can kind of say they're funny. They do have like a meme coin feel about them. With Mew, things seem to feel a little bit serious sometimes when I see it, but it's not a big deal as the token has been performing very well recently. Number 4, SUNDOG. SUNDOG was something I shared at Profit Pirates at 9 cents. It's now trading at around 25 cents. It is the biggest meme on Tron. The target that I have for SUNDOG is 3 billion market cap. I think that is fair for the biggest token on Tron. It's backed by major celebrities. Here I can show you guys Ryan Garcia and Ty Dolla $ign, 2 massive celebrities were talking about SUNDOG over the last couple of days. Say what you want about them. It is nice to have some big tier celebrity backing. SUNDOG actually holds a lot of volume, and it's actually awesome to see for something that is on the Tron blockchain. Justin Sun's company, Sunpump, are publicly invested in this token. They saw it as a strategic investment. As you guys know, Justin Sun has a net worth of around $1.5 billion. As with assets that are actually declared, I actually think his net worth is a lot more. So the main reason I'm bidding heavily on SUNDOG is because I'm betting on Justin Sun. He wants to make a name for himself in the space, and I don't think there's anything better he can do than to launch a meme coin on his chain to the billions of market cap. So SUNDOG, we are sending this to the sun. I do think this will stay the number 1 token on Tron as well. I don't see anything flipping it. I know Crash is trying to launch Bull and try and push Bull. I don't think Bull is going to flip SUNDOG. I think SUNDOG is going to stay number 1 on Tron. And that is why I was bidding it from the beginning. We're currently up around a 3x, but I don't think this is going anywhere very soon, and I would still be bidding these ranges at 230 to 250 million market cap personally. So the negatives, of course, Tron is speculative. As it's not a major blockchain for meme coins as of yet, it's actually a new experiment. It is still speculative and it could lose its traction. I'm not expecting this to happen as SUNDOG has been accumulating tier 1 exchange listings such as KuCoin. Another negative I have for SUNDOG is that the content isn't the best. It looks kind of community made. If I were the SUNDOG team, I would maybe invest in a content creator. It's not a big deal as the token is still performing very well. So now we're getting into the big three. At number 3, we have none other than PONKE on Solana. It's currently trading at around 150 to 180 million market cap, which to be honest is laughable. I think this is a steal. I think PONKE has one of the best risk rewards in the whole of the crypto market, and it is definitely a narrative I think you guys should be bidding. No financial advice. I also had the pleasure of meeting some of the members of the PONKE team at Token 2049. They're great people. PONKE has huge funding, strategically invested in by a lot of hedge funds. Their social media presence, as you guys can see at the top of the screen, it is through the charts. 409k on Instagram, 212k on TikTok, 128 on X, 33 in the Telegram, and over 200 million views on GIFs. Sometimes my girlfriend in Thailand that knows nothing about crypto sends me GIFs and they are PONKE, and she has no clue what the crypto is or anything like that. Their GIFs are just going viral on Giphy. PONKE's social media presence is great, and I think it's going to continue rising as the big bull run kicks off, as they predominantly make content about trading. And another reason why I think the risk reward is very favourable for PONKE is because it's listed on Revolut. On Revolut there are only a handful of meme coins listed. One of them's Doge, one of them's Sheeb, one of them's Pepe, one of them's Whiff, one of them's Bonk, and the other two, Mew and PONKE. PONKE is by far the smallest meme coin listed on Revolut. All of the others are in the billions apart from Mew and PONKE. Mew is halfway there. PONKE isn't even a quarter of the way there. So the risk reward on this asset is very, very favourable, and it's something you guys should definitely take into consideration. And another positive is that I think the meme is very retail friendly and it's very relatable for the average person. PONKE's main narrative and the thesis behind it is that it's the degenerate gambler. Anyone that's in crypto, if they watch the videos and the reels that PONKE shares, they could definitely relate to this in some shape or form. Anyone that does any kind of investing, any kind of trading, whether you're a forex trader, a scalper, a massive leverage trader, a meme coin trader, or even just a spot trader, you can definitely relate to PONKE. And it is something the whole of crypto can definitely get behind. Hence why 170 million market cap or whatever it's at now, I think it's favourable. Number 2, now we are getting on to the big boys. We have Pepe. So I have a story about Pepe actually. Pepe is crazy. Pepe is something that I publicly shilled. I'll show you guys a tweet here on Twitter at 5 million market cap. We are up over 5,000x since I first posted this. So of course you guys can do the maths. I've made a lot of money on Pepe. Pepe helped change my life to some extent and I'm very grateful for it. I still hold a large position and I think it's going to do very well for us in the bull run. He's sitting at around 4 billion market cap. I'd say the target is 45 billion as that is the height that Shiba Inu got to in the last bull run. I think that is fair for Pepe as it is a global OG meme and it is definitely more popular in the public eye than Shiba Inu. Pepe is actually the meme coin that started the current meta in 2023, which is when meme coin season started kicking off. So the volume for Pepe is insane. Even today being a quiet day in the markets, Pepe's trading volume is $1.7 billion, which is absolutely incredible. Pepe is very low risk compared to its competition as it is listed on pretty much every tier 1 you can think of, apart from Coinbase, and it is a lot bigger in market cap. Pepe is actually the 29th biggest crypto in the world. Okay, so number 1, give me a drum roll.
Like we always do with this time.
It wasn't going to be anything else, was it? Are you surprised? Was it really going to be anything else? Rank number 1, we have Memecoin, currently sitting at around 500 to 700 million in market cap with a target of 10 billion. And that is me being conservative. Every single time Bitcoin and the market bounces, Memecoin has by far the strongest bounces alongside all of the majors. Therefore, when the market pumps, people want to be buying Memecoin. Memecoin is one of the most favorable assets on the market. Even in the last month, it has done 125% from the lows that we had during all of the FUD. To my thesis on Memecoin and why I publicly shilled this coin to our premium Discord at 12 million market cap, and so far we have done over an 80x, is because it's unique, it's relatable and funny, it's normie friendly. Anyone can get behind Mog. Even if you know nothing about crypto, if you watch the Mog content, if you follow Mog, it's cool, it's down, it's trendy, it's down with the kids. The reason I first bought this project in the first place was because all of the guys at FaZe, I was tracking them and they were buying it. FaZe are massive streamers, they are down with the kids. Retail are going to love this thing. Retail already love this thing. This is why this meme coin has been outperforming all of the others over the past couple of months, because anyone can get behind it. To be honest, 10 billion for Mog, I think it's laughable, but I have to be conservative with you guys. Tier 1s are definitely watching Mog. It is listed on a couple already. It's listed on crypto.com. It's listed on KuCoin. But believe me, Binance are going to list this thing soon. Revolut are going to list it. And I think inevitably it's going to be listed on Coinbase. Mog is the #1 culture coin. It started the trend for culture coins. This is one of my biggest positions. It's one of my biggest bets. I've been holding this since 12 million market cap, publicly shilling it on TikTok. All of my socials, we're up 80x right now, and I am barely selling. Like, I am gonna run this thing up to where it should be, and it's gonna be a life-changing play, not only for me, but for my private community. So guys, here is the end of the video. Those are my top 10 meme coins that I am bidding heavily this bull run. You guys can take this information as you will. Of course, it's not financial advice. One thing you guys need to take into consideration, Mog was shilled to my private community at 12 million market cap. PONKE was shilled to my private community at 75 million market cap. SUNDOG was shilled to my private community at 90 million market cap. PEPE was shilled to my private community at 350 million market cap. However, I first posted it on my Twitter before we started Profit Pirates at 5 million. So guys, if you want alpha like this that can change your life, you know where to go. Press the link in my bio. Join Profit Pirates. It's literally as cheap as fucking $50 a month right now, which is like very undercutting ourselves, but we just want a nice army of hardworking traders. We can form together. My thesis for Profit Pirates is that crypto, especially this cycle, especially this bull run, it is very, very PvP. At Profit Pirates, we make it a team deathmatch. We win together. Sometimes, occasionally, yes, we lose together, but best believe we win a lot more than we lose. Have a look for our reviews, look what we've accomplished, and I'll see you guys in the next video and in the Discord. Peace out.